A new AI proofing technique developed by Australian researchers might just change the future of AI learning forever. By subtly altering images in a way that fools AI while leaving them unchanged to the human eye, this innovation promises unmatched digital protection. Artists, militaries, and all content creators, this is a game changer. Coming up today, Australia's breakthrough in AI proofing content, Samsung's new browser feature powered by artificial intelligence, Anthropic's expansion in education, Germany's Acoustic AI drone for Ukraine, and a deep dive into how AI is transforming your job prospects. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never fall behind on the future. Researchers from CSIRO, the University of Chicago, and Cybersecurity CRC unveiled a method that prevents AI from learning from your images. It offers a mathematical guarantee, even beating adaptive attacks, a first of its kind. It could shield personal photos, art, and defense data from AI mining. Next, in other news, Samsung wants to help users clean up their digital clutter. Its internet browser now uses AI to automatically close unused tabs, detect inactive ones, and even allow you to customize tab views. It's a smart solution to the growing problem of memory overload. Moving on to our next headline. AI is becoming a permanent feature in global classrooms. From personalized learning to robotics kits in STEM education, schools are embracing AI. Anthropic is expanding safe and interpretable models specifically tailored to educational platforms. In military AI news, Germany's Vector AI drone has reached Ukraine, featuring an acoustic detection system capable of locating gunfire and vehicle sounds. Armed with advanced AI, this drone shares real-time battlefield intel without risking human lives, a powerful example of AI in defense. Here's what's coming up next. The job market is changing fast. According to NYT research, AI is automating old roles while opening new ones, but not all regions benefit equally. Experts warn retraining and policy are key to keeping up with the AI revolution. Australia's ABC network has successfully used AI to boost personalised news and curb misinformation. Their AI system reduced misinformation complaints by 41% and improved user engagement by 28%. AI has a strong role in restoring public trust in media. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. With personalized tracking and gamified progress, it turns every learner into a genius. Find the link in the description below. ClassKid, every child is a genius. To wrap things up, from AI-proof image encryption to education reform and battlefield drones, the world of AI continues to evolve faster than ever. Share your thoughts below. Which AI innovation excited or surprised you the most today? Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications. Like, comment, and share this video to help more people stay informed about the future of AI.